Hello guys, welcome once again to How to Wisdom, and today we'll be talking about a very important thing called taking care of things. If you take care of things, they last. If you take care of things, they last. Most of the time, people don't know the value of adding value to things. If you take time to look at what you have and look at how you can improve on them, you end up extending the lifespan of that thing, be it business or whatever. For your business, you need to learn to take care of your business. Learn to look at what are the loopholes in my business, what are the things I need to do better, what are the things I need to get rid of, what are the things I need to improve upon. Once you do this, adding value to your business all the time, you will always see that your business will last a long time. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.